My name is Mike Tanyi. I'm the Director of Marketing and IT for SHARC Energy, and SHARC Energy is a clean energy manufacturer. We have units that essentially recover the energy from wastewater before it goes down the drain. So many people are familiar with the idea of showering, and that water is energy rich. And rather than let it be wasted into the sewer, we recover it, bring it back into the building for sustainability and energy conservation. And we do that for both heating and cooling, and for apartment buildings all the way up to numerous city blocks for district energy. When I started at SHARC, they had no CRM, and they were contemplating building their own using Access. And I said, whoa, like that's the wrong way to go. When I was a Microsoft partner, we had a customer that was evaluating Zoho against Dynamics. So kind of said, hey, what is this Zoho thing? And kind of looked at it and thought, okay, well, it's interesting. And as it turns out, over time, I've worked with a lot of startups and smaller companies, and it just fits better for those scenarios. I really think that Zoho is the best startup platform out there. The bang for the buck is phenomenal compared to other technologies that I've worked with, including Microsoft. They had some contractors that were suggesting other things like HubSpot and so forth. And it's been my experience, and this is one of the absolute key things about Zoho, is it eliminates the islands of data. And as an IT person, what I've seen over and over again is that people talk about integration, or they'll bring up things like Zapier and say, oh yeah, the integration is there. The truth is that it's not. Like, when you dig into it, you start finding the warts of it's either incomplete, or it's read-only, or it's in one direction only. And I don't find that within the Zoho suite. We use a wide range, everything from CRM to marketing automation to field service management, FSM. IoT is new to us, and we're just rolling that out. We're very excited about that. But really, there's the list of modules we don't touch is shorter than the ones that we do use. Operationally, we're very heavy users of CRM and project, and with ties to desk and FSM. So we're sort of agile in a way in our development, where we do a development push, get it to where it solves a problem for us, and then we'll move on to the next fire and modify another module to our purposes. So we're constantly sort of juggling which priorities those are. And actually, we manage all of our development priorities using Zoho Project. That's turned into a really powerful tool for collaboration within our team, and even with external contractors. So our Zoho partner, which is Spikra, we've worked with them for a number of years, and the way that we use Project with them is to just outline all of the priorities, high, medium, low, and when we meet with them, it's a very productive conversation because we can just run through the list. We're big users of Zoho Flow. That's really been the Zapier of internal Zoho modules, and it works fantastic. People don't pay attention to the cost of human glue. There's a overhead of human capital that is required when people are importing or exporting, and people tend to forget about that. And so we've essentially eliminated that with Zoho. It's always been a focal point of mine to not commit to a software package unless it has the ability to integrate and talk to our main line of business. And Zoho is exactly that. So yeah, it's phenomenal how powerful Zoho is across so many different departments and use cases. So we're constantly developing it, and I don't expect that to end. That's going to be a forever commitment, and we're happy to do it. It's brought us a lot of efficiency and visibility into the business.